Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Dave. I have not done a video in almost a year. The gym has been under construction, and as you can see right now, it really doesn't look anything like it used to look. If you'll notice right here, that old messy desk is gone, and my arm wrestling table is setting on the wall. I basically turned this gym into a very colorful boxing gym. The patterns on the wall are mine. Yes, I'm artistic. I've been doing colors and art for a long time. As you will notice, there's no leg press machine. I moved my speed bag over on the wall where the leg press machine used to be. There's a picture of Slim the Hammer Man. A picture of the greatest, Ali, in my opinion. The boxing gloves hanging on the left, they're mine. Those are my boxing gloves that I've been using since I was about 18 years old. I've been training for about 48 years now. Like I said, leg press machine is gone. Speed bag's hanging up over there. As you can see, I've got what's called a dingle bag. You can YouTube that. Go to Punch Professor and then look up his video on dingle bags, and you'll see hung a dingle bag. Although I'm not crazy with that, the dingle bag is going to come down. I'm going to put my heavy bag there. I do have the pulley system over there, and that corner is still under construction, as you can see. So this is my new gym. Now behind me, I've changed it entirely, and I've kind of gone back to the 60s and 70s, psychedelic and all that. Let me show you real quick. Okay, this is the other side. You probably recognize that only because of the bench press, which is coming out in the next 2 or 3 days. I don't need it and use it anymore. I've totally changed the way I train. I do have the black lights going to light up those posters. I'm only about halfway done with this side. I'm about 80% done with the other side. This whole entire side along all the walls will be nothing but black light posters. And I've got 6 black lights up now, 48-inch, 40-watt bulbs. And that's only about half the black lights I'm putting in this side. And you're only seeing about a third of the posters that'll be up. As I said, the bench press and all the bench press weights will be gone. And this will be an open area. Again, I will have the dingle bag will come back over here along with the double in bag. But no leg press, no bench press. I'll continue to do forearms, grip work, ab work, and leg work on my leg extension leg curl machine only. Like I said, I'm only about 50% done on this side, about 80% done behind me. But it's functional enough that I can, work out and train now without tripping over myself. My gym got so cluttered, I just kept bringing stuff in, and I finally had to get rid of it. So there you go. The new Dave's Gym. So enjoy the workout.